Financial planning, at the age of 40, is crucial for securing your financial future and achieving your long-term goals. Here's a detailed overview of what you should consider. 1. Assess your current financial situation. Start by evaluating your current financial status, including income, expenses, savings, investments, debts, and assets. Review your credit report to ensure there are no errors or outstanding issues. 2. Set clear financial goals. Define your short-term 1 to 5 years, medium-term 5 to 10 years, and long-term 10+ years financial goals. Common goals include retirement, children's education, homeownership, and debt reduction. 3. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that allocates your income to expenses, savings, and investments. Track your spending to identify areas where you can cut costs and increase savings. 4. Emergency fund. Maintain an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected financial setbacks. 5. Retirement planning. Assess your retirement savings and adjust contributions to meet your retirement goals. Consider maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts. 6. Investment strategy. Diversify your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Rebalance your investments periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. 7. Insurance. Review your insurance coverage, including life, health, disability, and home or auto insurance. Ensure your coverage aligns with your current needs and family situation. 8. Debt management. Create a plan to pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards and personal loans. Consider refinancing options if it can lower your interest rates. 9. Estate planning. Create or update your will and designate beneficiaries for your accounts. Consider setting up trusts or powers of attorney for healthcare and financial decisions. 10. Tax optimization. Seek tax-efficient investment strategies and explore tax-advantaged accounts. Consult a tax professional for personalized advice. 11. Education funding. If you have children, start or continue saving for their education expenses through various plans or other savings accounts. 12. Seek professional advice. Consider working with a certified financial planner or advisor to create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your goals. 13. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as your goals or circumstances change. Remember that financial planning is not static, it should evolve with your life. Your 40s are a critical time to make necessary adjustments and stay on track to achieve your financial objectives.